Question 6, Colette Stevenson.
Thank you, Presiding Officer. To ask the Scottish Government whether it will provide an update on its work to keep the promise to those who are care experienced.
Minister Natalie Dawn.
The Scottish Government is strongly committed to keeping the promise, and I am delighted to have the opportunity to lead this work through this new ministerial post. I'm heartened by the cross-party commitment across the Parliament to introduce the change required to ensure our children and young people feel loved, feel that they are safe and that they are respected. Since coming into post, I've received correspondence from a range of partners, and I'm excited to have the opportunity to see for myself the great work underway across Scotland in the coming weeks and months. The Scottish Government published its Promise Implementation Plan last March, and we continue to build change within our education, health and justice agendas.
Colette Stevenson.
I thank the Minister for that response and I welcome her to her new role. Can the Minister outline the continued engagement the Scottish Government is having with children and young people who are in the care system, as well as those who are care experienced? And can she also confirm the steps the Scottish Government is taking to ensure young people have the support of scaffolding to lead independent lives as young adults?
Minister.
I thank the member for that question. So the previous First Minister and the Minister for Children and Young People met regularly with members of the care experience community, and I am delighted by the opportunity to carry this engagement on. The Scottish Government is committed to ensuring that in developing the policy and legislative change required to keep the promise, it is essential that the voice of the care experience community continues to inform the actions that we take. We continue to work with our partners, including the Promise Scotland, Who Cares Scotland, the network of local champions boards and through the Promise Design School to ensure their voice is heard. We know that many young people with experience of care may not have access to the same family networks, support or opportunities as their non-care experienced peers, and providing the right and timely support in the move to independent living is essential, and we are committed to supporting transition through inclusive and accessible support to education, employment, transport and housing. We remain committed to the introduction of a £10 million care leaver payment in this parliamentary term to provide further support to the 50,000 young care experienced people between the ages of 16 and 26.
Very briefly, Martin Whitfield.